In ancient times,
虫
referred to snakes, so its oracle bone script resembled a coiled serpent with a pointed head. In the bronze script, the head became larger, resembling a cobra with 2 eyes. In small seal script, the body became slender and curved, with a visible forked tongue. In modern form, the snake's head evolved into the central rectangular, its body into the vertical stroke and horizontal line, and the final dot represents its tail.
虫虫
Here are some words containing the character
虫害虫
insects that damage crops or harm human health, such as mosquitoes and locusts.
益虫
Insects beneficial to humans, such as bees and ladybugs. Thank you for watching.
谢谢观看，再见。